Guys, we did not come to Arku Valley. We are going to Heaven Valley right now. Okay, so what's poppin' up? Welcome back to a brand new video. So as you can see, guys, I'm here at episode number 2 and part number 2. And also let me clear one thing for you guys. This is the final part for my episode 2 of Arku Diaries. And yeah, this is the part where I'm actually going inside Arku Valley. Almost, like we have only 4-5 kilometers left to go to Arku Valley. And here I sent my friend Dora to go friend of me. And he was like, okay, let's go fast, let's go fast. I was like, okay, let's see how big this road is. And he started going friend. Then I saw ahead of him, dude, you can see that straight road all the way like around 2-3 kilometers straight. Then I was like, okay, let's go 100 kmph faster, like more than that. And I ended up going 110 kilometers per hour or something. I do not know exactly, but I was going like super fast. And yeah, the road was insane. And also yeah, we had to go again home from this road too. And so yeah, we loved this road like insane, guys. And yeah, well, basically I just ended up overtaking him at this point. And yeah, and also in my part 1 ending, you guys have seen me eating in Arku Valley. Yes, I have kept that part in my part 1 just to tell you guys it's like a normal road just to go to Arku Valley. Nah, I just wanted everyone to get surprised by me showing this crazy big long route clip in my this part here. So yeah, after this we will be entering the Arku Valley in like 2-3 kilometers more, and then that's where we stopped and had our lunch because it was pretty late. It was 3:30 p.m. We were literally 3 hours late in reaching Arku Valley. And yes, let me just spoil one thing for you guys. It took us a long time to find a room. We spent probably like 2.5 hours searching for a room to stay because we were not able to find any. So I'll see you guys when we finally entered Arku Valley. Okay, so in the clip which is going to be coming up soon, we have finally reached Arku Valley. And yeah, we stayed in a side hall, there was a restaurant. We sat down there to eat and it was not budget friendly, expensive, dude. Dora came to eat food. Looking at the menu, Abhay wants to give it a menu. Dude, looking at the menu card, we are already dying right now. So right now the time is, bro, look at the time. What the hell is the time? It's 3:26 p.m. We got up late. We are like 2 hours late because we were doing some videos and vlogs and all stuff. Okay. So right now we are like still thinking if we should take the food from here, and also we're deciding what should we take. Dora is like instantly, let's take a freaking sandwich right now. So I still have like no idea what are we going to do because we still did not book a room at all too. So I'll see you guys when we are gonna be eating. Okay, so we just completed eating our lunch and we got veg biryani for all 3 of us, and Dora got a sandwich. And look at the story which I just posted, dude. So yeah, that's it for today. So I'm just gonna go get a room, and we will just get out of here and we'll just keep our bags in the room and we'll roam around Arku right now. So when I just stop here for like a second or so, they'll run away. Oh damn, look at the view. So I don't know what this view is, but just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, I stopped there. No, they disappeared. They left me alone all the way, like all right here by myself. And I got this Barbie thingy lol. I will be sitting behind Abhay. That sentence for me. So rest in peace, Naku. And basically right now we will eat some snacks because lunch was 240 rupees. They gave very less, so we are still hungry. So we will eat some snacks on the road, side of the road, some snacks. We will roam around, we'll eat, and then we'll roam around Arku Valley completely, and then we will see any good spots, like I'll just show you guys in the vlog, so stay tuned. We are having fun, really. We are bamboo chicken. Bamboo chicken, guys. I will try for sure because Abhay is vegetarian. I used to be vegetarian until 6th class. If Abhay may try, I will tell you. Okay, Abhay may try, he's vegetarian first of all. So yeah, it's going to be really fun. I am already having super duper fun. And Valentine's Day. Accident Arku Valley and guys, we did not come to Arku Valley. We are going to Heaven Valley right now. Okay, so right now we are checking the places we have to stay because we did not find anything. Right now, me and Abhay are gonna visit Harita Valley Resort, and after we check here, actually Dora, our friend, he went to check one more resort, like place to stay. I don't know if it's a resort or not. So we are gonna go inside Harita Valley Resort right now with Abhay to check how Harita Valley Resort is, and if we are like if this is better or if like the other resort is kind of better. Dude, it already looks so sick. Where are we supposed to go? Okay, so I just asked the person near the gate where is the reception. He parked his bike here, so that's the reception, the straight one. So we're gonna go to reception and we'll ask. Basically Dora left us and we are finding him. Okay, he found a better room, as I said, right? And Abhay just said Dora, Finding Dora, the movie Finding Dora. That is like just crazy coincidence, dude. We are finding that restaurant. I don't know where it is. I have no idea, so I'm gonna call Dora right now. I'm kind of crying, lol. Wait, we'll see you guys in the next clip. So we're just gonna check it out, how good it actually is, and yeah, we enter from this side. Main road is there, so you have to come a little bit inside and enter from this side, and this is Casa Wood, so we're just gonna enter it right in now. Guys, sad news is that thing which happened was rooms are full. There are no empty rooms, so we're gonna go to one more place. Actually, Dora's uncle is helping us out right now technically. So basically that's how we are like changing our places. And also I hope you are not able to see me properly because I don't know why. It's fucking freezing cold. Abhay is driving like that at this speed, okay? It is very cold. I am not shivering because I'm using his head and his arms as a barrier from the cold. So I'm barely alive right now. It's not that cold. I'm using this guy right now. And yeah, we are going to do one more resort, which is actually good. So we'll take it. It will be in like 10 minutes. So I'll just show you guys when we actually booked the resort, because we just roamed like 3 to 4 resorts till now. I mean hotels and resorts to check. One we almost got, but the problem was out of rooms. The previous one you saw. So we're gonna get out of here, and we are here to ask for a resort or a room. Resort or something is called Versista. Okay, so we came here finally, bro. Time is 5:40 p.m. Yeah, we were roaming around for like 1 hour. Then we ate lunch, half an hour, and then 2 hours we were like searching for room. Right now the time is 5:45, as I said. So this is the room. We can easily sleep here. Like the room we booked, it is insane. So this is the room. Number 208, and yeah, this is the room, and we finally booked it. Let's close it and lock it. Room is like AC, bro. Air condition fan, low fan. We need kind of well on the fan. And also we have TV, we have phone call, we have TV, We have the window here. Window na is going into the balcony. Arey, we won't open this, okay? It is good. Also, Biden should know endundo. Come and check what is outside. What the balcony, ra? Kapechu and then open it. Yeah, better. So guys, we finally booked a hotel after 2.5 hours of searching. If you guys want to see the washroom, this is the washroom. It's very spacious. It's very, very spacious. Not well nice. So, finally, bro, we can just sleep. I mean, we're resting for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna go out and we will explore Arco. So, peace. Like that corner near the door, mine is near this wall, which I like. Abhay is on the middle. Let's go. And Abhay, where will you sleep?
Here.
On the sofa, let's say. We got a freaking TV. Array, let's try the TV, bro. Let's use our 1600 rupees.
The TV should
Ambient lighting.
Udi amma re. Ambient turn on the net. It is hot water. Wait. Switches. Oh, array 1600 is insane. Yeah, and also guys, the room is 1600 rupees. Crazy good for 3 people. The floor is cold, bro. It's 19 degrees right now, and it's 5:54 p.m. and Edora dancer. So TV will get turned, and lights are looking really good, bro. So I don't know, but yeah, let's see if the TV will turn on. Remote, I don't know. Where's the remote? It's remote. Oh.
Okay, on.
Aren't touched. Batteries ఉన్నాయి దీనిలో రిమోట్ లో
The proper AV mode on your TV and then power on your box.
The freak is.
బాక్స్ లో నాట్ రిమోట్ రిలేటెడ్
Proper play box is not receiving signal.
నీ అమ్మ జీవితం. This is the face mask I recently bought. It's really good, and I bought my what do you say? I bought my lipstick. I bought my lip balm basically. So I think I did not unbox it, so I'll do unboxing right now. This is the 4-5-year-old and my power bank. These are the gloves I'm using. You can barely drive using these gloves because it's too thick. This is the shawl I bought from Kedarnath, like from Sonparag. It's down of Kedarnath, and this one I bought recently. And my lip balm, which is useful, and also bought the moisturizer for everyone. So let's unbox this power bank right now, guys. Let's go. I'll just unbox it in front of you. So let's just drop it down. Okay, we got some cards inside. Okay, let's get that cards inside, and let's see how the power bank looks like. Oh wow. So this is the 27,000 mAh power bank by Umbrain, and I hope it's charged even a little bit because I did not charge it at all. Ooh, a fancy circular button. So let's just check it out. Oh, the buttons are here. Okay, it got 2% charge, so I'll charge it. I'll leave it for charge here, and then we will go out to the chocolate museum and all. By the time I come, it's gonna get completely charged. So yeah.
The power bank, I'll also keep my phone.
Yeah, sure. I have this one is fully almost. I hope so. This one is 3 dots, which is more than sufficient. So guys, I'll see you guys when we are going out. So we're just gonna rest out now. I'll remove my shoulder. I'll basically remove my shoulder bag. I'll keep this power bank, small wire, and this battery pack, and my inhaler in the shoulder bag. And then we are gonna get out of here. Basically, what we're gonna do is we'll keep all of our bags here, and I will only bring my shoulder bag with me when I'm going out. So it's basically I just need my inhaler, power bank, 2 wires, battery pack, my lip balm, and inhaler, as I said, I guess. So that's it. Only these are the 7 things I'll be taking out, and helmet and bag, big bags. This big bag and the helmets will be here only. So I'll see you guys when I'm finally out. PK Cap X hoodie, which I bought from Amazon. Surprisingly, this got only 200 rupees when I bought it, so it's kind of useful. I can't breathe, bro, but it's warm inside, not gonna lie. Not wearing any of my gloves. Bro will drive, Dora is gonna drive, I'll sit back. And my power bank, 2 wires, inhaler, lip balm, and my Vicks inhaler is also in this shoulder bag. And my Barbie. always with me. I love bar. I love this. I'm enjoying this bro for a trip. It disco lights. So guys, we'll see you at some museum. We are going to chocolate museum and to coffee museum, and then we are going to chocolate factory, and then we'll just see what else we will be finding in the way. So until then, peace. Yeah, it is really cold right now. It's like 19 or 17, 18 degrees. I don't know, but we just have to like keep on going straight. Arey, we have to go straight for 800 meters full straight. Curve will come, so we just have to keep on going straight. Okay. So I'm like happily sitting back because I drove like the entire trip from Gudisipoyam. Go a little left. Oh shit. Okay, let's go. Nice. W stuff, man, good. So we are going, we just have to keep on going straight. And yeah, I drove from Vizag to Arku here, so that's the reason Dora is driving now. Oh dear Mare! Oh dear Mare, what the hell bro? Crazy road ippudu. Oh dear Mare! Oh dear Bante! Oh dear Bante! Highway on chesava? Slow, left will. Oh dear Mare! Crazy road! Inka gattiga challaga undi chala. Oh ma! What's the temperature right now? 14. Can't 14, probably not 14 bro. What's the temperature at Arku Valley right now?
The closest jacket.
It's 18 degrees Celsius and it's... Arey, ippudu 18. 4, 16. 16 I'm dead bro. Arey, I don't know how did I survive in -4 in Kedarnath bro. Guys, we are at the chocolate factory, so basically they said no videos are allowed, so we just got these 2 freaking blocks and Abhay already threw one of the block. So yeah, so each of this block is like 30 rupees, so we got 2 blocks and we're gonna try them out. After eating, I'm gonna show you the place. It looks amazing. So let's just check it. I just ate this milk chocolate. This shit is next level, dude. It's insane. 30 rupees for a block. Trust me, it's worth buying. It's like buying a Ferrero Rocher but milk chocolate. So there are some rides for showcase, I guess. So we are just like kind of roaming around right now. Yeah, the chocolate factory is like that side basically.
600 rupees Once chocolate museum.
Yeah, see. This shit is like insane. Chocolate is actually like insane, dude. So we're gonna get out of here right. Best way to escape. Bro just escaped. Well, Ranu. ఇంకా అరకు వ్యాలీ కాదు హెవెన్ వ్యాలీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 100 meters లోనే ఫ్లాష్ మ్యాన్ ఏంట్రా రే పోటం ఓడి అమ్మ ఫ్లాష్ మ్యాన్ ఓ క్రికెట్ we're just walking around so, like and yeah. What is this? Finally dude, we are here at Coffee Museum and we tried banana puff for 20 rupees and it was not good. This is where what you can see here. Are fish is inside? Oh dear, this bamboo shit is super cold, dude. And I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and yeah. I'll just go and I'll come back. So yeah, the third guy is always in calls and all stuff. So I just came around here. So I'm just gonna showcase you what's here. Basically nothing else, nothing special. Oh, there's a trampoline. Even in Chocolate Factory there was like a trampoline. Where is he?
Bro disappeared. Okay, so basically we're just gonna roam around with Abhay, of course, and we're just gonna end up taking pictures. So yeah, bro, what is even in here, bro? What is that even, bro? What is that even for?
For coffee.
Kettle, of course, it's a coffee museum. So yeah, it's kind of fun. I took a snap of a video inside too. I'm gonna add that to the vlog, so it's gonna be in like portrait mode. So let's just check the entire places out. We're back to square one. We are back all the way to square one, dude. Oh, we can get like sandwich and Italian veg pizza. Hell no. We are somewhere out of this area and we sat on some random dudes. They don't mind us sitting on them and it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And we are at coffee museum still. Temperature right now is like 17 degrees Celsius or 18. Time right now it's 6:23 p.m. and it's fun. This vlog is going to be insanely big, so watch till the end and I'll see you guys somewhere else because it's the first road trip too. So I'll like probably will go from coffee. Hey, where are we going from coffee museum?
To eating somewhere.
Yeah, we're gonna probably go eat somewhere and we are just gonna dip and we'll just go to a room. I'm thinking of getting that bamboo chicken something and I'll like parcel it to the room or something. If we can parcel it to the room, it's gonna be really fun. And if not, I'll just get a biryani for like chicken biryani from the side of the road. There's like some people who are there selling chicken biryani, only biryani, not bamboo chicken. So let's see if the price is good because I'm going on a budget. So let's just okay. So the place where we're staying also has a restaurant, so it's called the Star Annapurna Family Restaurant. So let's freaking go, dude. Sit here near the freaking glass. That's it. Bye bye. Okay, dude. Basically, this is like the entire restaurant. So how it looks like. Everyone is. We are all tired. It's 8 p.m. right now. So we're gonna eat our dinner and we're gonna head to room and just sleep and wake up next day. I'll see you guys in day number 2 vlog. Eat this grass as our dinner, okay?
No.
Food ekkada? I can't see even well after like
Let's go back.
Cheppani, right? You're not listening. I told you hotel name is Annapurna, but you were like, no, it's versus Star. Bro is never listening to me. I told him we'll eat lunch outside, but he was like, nah, let's see Annapurna. I said, I said let's eat out of hotel because morning hotel bought kind money, and he was like, okay. We went to Hotel Annapurna and we did not eat because cost was like a lot. So now we are going out and I can like blow vapors out of my mouth, bro. Look at the fog, it's insane. Holy shit. So right now we just came here to eat and this is the spot and you can see the prices right here, so it's like really good. You guys, we just completed our dinner. Time is around my watch time. Abhay, what's the time? Time? Huh? Oh, so 9:41. We were eating for like 1 hour literally. So this is where we ate and yeah, it's a really good place. It's called Melody Food Court. Trust me, come here. Chicken fry biryani, 190 rupees. You would love it. It's like a little bit sufficient for like 2 people. Paneer biryani is 200 rupees. It is easily sufficient for 2 people. And the taste is just next level, dude. Total bill for 3 people if you want to eat perfectly. Completely full. Paneer biryani and chicken fry biryani for 390 rupees is perfect. And I'm getting the vapors, bro. Crazy, bro. I'm smoking, guys. I'm smoking, gang.